In this episode of Easy Drawing, I will show you how to draw cherry hearts. Let's draw a cute cherry heart. Now we want to draw our heart. We have outlined our cherries, and now we will draw the heart.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe.
Let's put some eyelashes on our cherry. This is easy, step-by-step, easy drawing. The cherry really make cute lip. For our next cherry, we'll draw a huge smile, and we'll draw the eyes. Here's our next cherry. We have drawn a cute cherry heart. You're watching step-by-step easy drawing. Now we will color our cherry heart. And of course, you could use another color if you want to. You can color your cherry with a red color if you feel like. I do hope that you have enjoyed this episode of Draw for Kids. Please subscribe to this channel for more fun kids drawings, easy drawing, coloring, and painting. New drawing for kids, video for kids are uploaded daily. Thank you for your support.